Okay, so over the top on one side. The wire should be on the side with the nubs. This T-post is slightly turned, but it'll still work. Okay, we're going to put a screwdriver through it, down over the top of the wire, and then pull that around and underneath to lock it in. Very nice. We have 4 more posts in this row. If you decide you want to move it up or down, you just undo the clip by reversing what we just did and take it off, move the wire up or down, depending on where you like the wire for to hold the raspberries or to hold whatever you're trying to vine with the wire. A couple more on this end. And it's just that easy. So it's probably important to note there's a difference between the smaller trellis post. It looks just like that one, except it's smaller. And about, I'd say, 2/3 the size of these standard fence posts for ranching. This little clip goes on that one. And these larger clips, you see there's a pretty good size difference. The larger clip goes on the larger post, of course. They also make fence tighteners, and they ratchet. You put a tool, just an awl maybe, or a nail, big nail, through that and ratchet, and it comes along and holds it with the clip and tightens things. You put the fence wire through here, and then I can see how it works. Turn that with a wrench, holding this to the post. That would be held on to the post or to a wooden post. Ratchet the wire through the holes and crank it around until it's nice and tight. And of course, if things loosen or stretch over the years, you can tighten it just a little bit more.